As dawn breaks, Lisbon awakens, its vibrant skyline a symphony of colors mirrored in the serene Tagus River. In the dimly lit Fado house, the heavy scent of salt and unspoken yearnings hangs in the air, enveloping all within. Bathed in the melancholic glow, a lone guitarist weaves tales of saudade and destiny with each plaintive note. The soul of Portugal is laid bare through the haunting melody. The Douro Valley's winemaking heritage meets natural beauty. The vineyards cascade down to the river, a testament to centuries of tradition and craftsmanship. Each vine tells a story of dedication, where the earth yields its liquid treasure. Within the ancient Porto wine cellar, the essence of tradition unfolds, promising an immersive tasting journey. Port wine, a taste of tradition. The aged barrels whisper tales of time and craftsmanship, inviting connoisseurs into a world of rich flavors. Sintra emerges as a fairy tale escape, with mystical shots capturing the architectural wonders of Peña Palace amidst lush landscapes. Quinta da Regalera unfolds its enigmatic beauty, revealing hidden depths and lush gardens. Sintra, a fairy tale escape. The Algarve coastline unfolds with breathtaking beauty, where golden beaches meet the mesmerizing turquoise waters. Algarve, sun, sand, and sea, epitomizing the essence of this coastal paradise. Bathed in sunlight, the Azulejo factory resonates with the quiet dedication of skilled artisans, their artistry a testament to Portugal's decorative soul. Amidst the scent of clay and paint, azulejos, Portugal's decorative art flickers on screen, beckoning the audience to immerse themselves in the rich tapestry of Portuguese artistry. Each stroke of the brush carries the weight of tradition, as artisans breathe life into the azulejo tiles, turning ordinary clay into enduring masterpieces of color and form. Strolling through Óbidos, the medieval town unfolds as a living history book, its ancient stones whispering tales of times long past. Each cobblestone street and ancient building reveals a page from history, inviting exploration. The town's charm lies in its ability to transport visitors back in time, immersing them in a world of knights, castles, and timeless beauty. The creamy custard filling and crispy, flaky crust of the pastel de nata, showcasing the sweet sensation of Portugal's culinary treasure. A vibrant array of Portuguese pastries entices the senses, painting a picture of the country's rich culinary heritage. Under the expansive sky, the historic University of Coimbra rises, a symbol of enduring cultural legacy. Coimbra, the cradle of knowledge. The stunning landscapes of Madeira Island, a vibrant tapestry of unique flora unfolds. Madeira, the floating garden, a testament to the island's enchanting beauty. Portugal's coastline unfolds in a vibrant montage, each scene whispering tales of hidden gems and breathtaking vistas. As the sun dips below the horizon, the sky ignites with fiery hues, painting a mesmerizing masterpiece over the vast Atlantic. Portugal, an endless discovery appear, inviting viewers to embark on their own unforgettable journey.